So next question, Bhangar and Khadar. What is Bhangar and what is Khadar? All we know that besides the in the Indian northern plain, we find besides the Ganga basin, we find the Bhangar and Khadar. This is a prehistoric alluvial plateau, and if we consider Khadar, this is a newly formed alluvial lowland. So, besides the river basin of Ganga, which part is created by newly alluvial deposition? It is called the Khadar. And from this part, both this part, uh, apart this part, in some area where the prehistoric alluvial deposition has made the plateau-like region. This is sedimentary region. This is called the prehistoric alluvial plateau, that is the Bhangar. So if we tell in one sentence that the Khadar has made up with the newly alluvium soil and the Bhangar is made up with the old alluvium deposition soil of Ganga river. Next point, it is maintained at a constant elevation above the footplane. And here the next point is almost every year it is flooded, resulting in the deposition of the additional alluvium. So it is maintained a constant elevation above the floodplain. So in Bhangar, we seen that it is this area is the floodplain area. This is the floodplain area of river Ganga, and by this river Ganga, it is the elevation part where the Bhangar region is situated. And what is about the Khadar? Almost every year it is flooded, resulting the deposition of additional alluvium. As the additional alluvium is deposited every year here, because every year the Ganga, there is a flood in Ganga, and this whole region is flooded by the water of Ganga river. That's why it is increasing its height by the newly deposition soil of alluvium soil. Bhangar. It is frequently covered with calcareous and nodules referred to as kankar. So Bhangar is mainly made up of some soils like which is made up of some kankars or pebbles. And in Khadar, a common feature is clay soil with a which is quite fertile. So the Khadar soil of the Khadar region is more fertile than the Bhangar region, because the Khadar region is made up with the newly alluvium soil than the Bhangar, and the Bhangar region is made up of calcareous nodules, that is the kankar. Next, this is not optimal plant for cultivation. So Bhangar is not a optimal region for cultivation in India. It is ideal for intensive agriculture. So Khadar is the ideal part of intensive cultivation because it is so fertile. It is fertile every year because the newly alluvium deposition of the river Ganga.
You can get all the notes from our website. So go to skillyogi.org. The link is in the description below, and you can easily get NCERT CBSE quick notes and question bank for yourself. You can buy the book from Amazon or Flipkart, or you can download the PDF for easy learning. So go to our website skillyogi.org and order today. The link is given in the description below.